The Total Visa credit card is aimed at people looking to build or rebuild credit, even if their credit isn't perfect, which is a real plus for anyone just starting out or bouncing back. It's a true Visa card, accepted almost everywhere in the United States and online. And the application is simple with a quick response. To open an account, there's a required $95 program fee, which is something to weigh up front. There's no hard credit pull, making it accessible for most applicants. One of the standout features is the rewards program. Cardholders get 1% cash back, but here's the twist. Instead of earning on every purchase, you rack up points simply by making payments to your card. So, paying down your balance is now rewarding. Literally, points can be redeemed as statement credits once the account's been open and in good standing for at least 6 months. It takes 500 points for a $5 credit, and rewards don't expire as long as the account stays open. Beyond that, there are additional perks like free online credit score access, customizable notifications, zero fraud liability, and the ability to pick your due date, which helps with budget management. However, the APR is on the high side, starting at 20.24% and going up to 28.24%. So carrying a balance is not ideal. The $95 opening fee is steep for a starter card, and bonus perks like travel or purchase protections are pretty limited. In short, the Total Visa credit card can help with credit building and offers a basic rewards twist. But the fees and high interest rate are worth considering. It's most beneficial for those needing a second chance, but should be used carefully to avoid costly interest and fees.